Hey everyone, I have a quick review of a protective case for a Nintendo Switch. Now this is for the newer versions of the Nintendo Switch, the ones with the much thinner, skinnier back stand. The stand on the back. The older ones have that much wider stand, and if you have an older one, you know what I'm talking about. If you have a newer one, you know you have the little skinny one that's on the back of the actual Nintendo Switch, as you'll see during the video. And also with this video, it has been sped up. This is just a really quick review of this. By the time this video has came out, and I'm saying this now, I've actually had this case on my Nintendo Switch for probably about a month and a half or 2 months by now. And I have no complaints about the actual case itself. The Joy-Con protective covers that come with it, they're more of a soft rubberized material, and the actual case itself that goes over the main body is more of a harder, I believe it's polycarbonate style, polycarbonate material. Honestly, this was super fast to put together. It didn't take any type of work. I didn't look at the instructions or anything. Everything pops right in place. One thing about this case, this does not have a screen protector. So, and I didn't need one because mine already has a screen protector applied to the actual screen of my Nintendo Switch. As you can see the back stand on it. The stand in the back, it's a much thinner one. That's the newer versions of Nintendo Switch. Putting it in, you just basically pop it in there. Take your time and do it. It may seem like I'm not, but I'm also have this sped up. So that's what you're seeing right here. Popped right in place. It fit really well. They definitely really designed it for this. Cool logos on it and everything like that. I was really impressed with, especially the value for the on the budget that I was on in regards to this. Let's put the Joy-Cons back on it, slide them back in place. And the cool thing about rubberized material too, if you don't like it or if it feels like they're sticking or something or anything like that, you can actually just cut a little piece off of them, a little thin piece, because it's just rubberized. You can see me going through it right here, checking all the buttons, power, and all that stuff. Works fine, no problems. And like I said, by the time this video came out, I've had this 2 months now, and I have no complaints about it. It feels good. It doesn't add a lot of weight to it. By the way, yeah, also these come in a variety of different colors. I saw yellow, light blue, green, red, and I got the black one. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope everyone has a good day, and I hope this helps someone else who's on a budget looking for a Nintendo Switch case. Bye.